Yeah, we got the rotor and distributor cap wires off. This wiring harness from the right side of the passenger side this is air conditioning and carburetor hookups, and then the piece that it wires into and goes back to the back of the engine. These are distributor wires. This comes off a smaller harness that runs behind that condenser, whatever that is. There's a plug here, connector, and this red wire, this long red wire with the brown plastic end on it goes around underneath the distributor, and there's a plug on that harness down there by that T that this plugs into. Okay. These are air conditioner wires here. So I'm going to unplug this from here, and that's what these are.